Alright, in this video we are going to assemble this gearbox. There's a lot of different ways to assemble this, so if you did something different, that's completely okay as long as you get to the same end result. Alright, the first things we're going to do is we're going to assemble everything, and then we are going to add the gear mates last. So we're going to go to mate. Let's put the gears on here. So we'll do the main gear. We'll make this concentric. All right, check. We want to add a width mate. Go down to advanced mates, width. Okay, we'll do this inside here. And then, all right, check that. Make sure that this keyhole is aligned, right? This. And then we are going to add a coincident mate to, okay. Oh, and this needs to be a standard, so coincident, right. Check. And then we are going to add another coincident, so we will this with this. All right, coincident, check. Okie dokie. And then we know this is correct because if you look, zoom in, this little area here aligns with this slot, so that's good. And when I spin this, you can see that the gear moves with it. All right, and also we just want to check the keyhole, so we can see that when we move the gear, it stays with the keyhole. Great. Now let's do this side over here. So we are going to add some concentric, check. Concentric, these two. Ooh. Okay, check. Let's add a coincident mate. So I'm going to move this out a little bit. I'm going to add a coincident. You can also add a width one to align these. There's a lot of different ways that you can do this. I'm just going to add a coincident one. So I want that edge. Let's see. I want it to touch there. All right, check, coincident there. And then we want this one to lie there. All right, and we want coincident, check. Okay, and then we need to add this over here. So let's first add a concentric mate between these two things. Okay, concentric, check. And then I'm gonna drag this out here. It's a little hard to see like that. And then we are going to add one more mate. Let's see here, what do we wanna do? We can, oh, nope. I'm gonna right click, delete that. Let's add a concentric mate, coincident, sorry, coincident mate there. All right. So we should be good there. Okay. And so when I spin this, let's see, that works. All right. The next thing we are going to do is we are going to check that, and I'm going to hide some of these components. So I'm going to just click on this component and then hide component. You can also do this in your feature manager tree. So main housing, click on it, hide component, and it turns white like that. We want to hide this one. All right. Awesome. So now I'm going to add my gear mates. Okay, and before I get started, I'm just going to align them. Okay, let's see here. Okay. You can actually use a width mate if you want to align it better, or easy. It might be easier to align it with a width mate, but I already did it this method, so I'm just gonna continue because it looks pretty good almost. Okay, there we go. There. Okay, there we go. All right, well, almost. Okay, good enough. Okay, so now we're gonna add 2 gear mates to finish this off. So we're gonna go to mate. Again, there's a lot of different ways you can do this, but well, once we get to mechanical mate, so click mechanical mate gear, and then you can, use the temporary axes, or we can just use these. So I'm gonna click that. I'll click this. Okay. And I like to type them into here just so that I don't get confused. I'm just going to type the number of teeth it has. So if you count all of the teeth, this one has 22. I'm going to type in 22. And this one has 10. All right. And then I'm going to hit check, or make sure that those are right. Okay, yes. Check. Okay. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. So I'm going to select that face, and then I'll select, oh, I didn't mean to click that edge, so delete. And then I'll select that face there, make sure it's a gear, and then I'm going to type in this gear right here has 10 teeth, and then this gear here has 22. All right, and then I'm going to do check, and then when I spin this, the gears should be working properly. All right, so I'm going to do check again, and then I'm going to select all of these components and show them. I'm going to do Control-7. All right, and then I'm just going to click this and make sure that the gears move like they're supposed to when I do this, when I spin this. All right, and that is it.